Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a playlist in the Spotify app. First we have to open up the app. Here it opens up in the home menu. From here we just go into the library. And here in the top right corner we have a plus icon. We tap on that. And here we have two options. We can either create a playlist or we can create a blend. Let's tap on playlist. Here we can name the playlist. Let's say hip hop, for example. Create, and here we can add songs to the playlist that we might find good. Let's see. Yeah, and then we can just add it like this. So yeah, that's basically it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.